Okay, here's a super simple, healthy smoothie. Mark and I have never been into smoothies, especially green ones before, but as we've tried new things when we spent more time at home, a friend introduced us to their smoothie. We are now using this as our morning breakfast or sometimes a great afternoon snack, and it gives us lots of proteins. First of all, we use baby spinach, and I have bought the baby spinach because it's triple washed, and what I do now is basically I just fill my blender. And I just use a regular blender. It does have a smoothie feature on it, but it's just a regular blender. And I fill it up. We add almond milk. We have used oat milk in the past, and if we use oat milk, sometimes we add honey to it. Almond milk gives it a little bit of a sweet flavor, just a bit. This is not an exact science. We just do it till we taste it and love it. They told us they use a half a banana. We have started using a whole banana, and we do use them when they're starting to get brown. They have a little bit sweeter taste, to us anyway. You can add a half an avocado, some oatmeal. Now, we use regular oatmeal. We have used steel cut oatmeal, and it gives it a little bit of a crunchy texture, so depends upon what you like as to what you may add. We're adding just a heaping teaspoon of almond butter. Now, this is their recipe, and we just go with it. We're using plain yogurt, and again, just a heaping, I'm gonna use a little bit, 2 teaspoons of this. We add some cinnamon. And then they said to add blueberries. We also like to add strawberries. I'm going to do that after this comes down a little bit. Because it's gone down, I'm going to add my strawberries. And because it hasn't liquefied as much as I think I'd like it to, I'm gonna add just a little bit more milk. Again, for us, this is not an exact science. It's just, we do it to enjoy the taste and to have a healthy meal or snack. And then I stop it because we don't like it real liquidy. We like it to be a little bit thicker, and gonna taste it. That's good. Thank you, Christine. We love them. And what I want to tell you is that this makes so much. After we've poured our glasses, we have enough to freeze. And this has been really fun. Just a plastic cup, put it in the freezer with tin foil over it, and then we have it the next day. We just let it freeze and then take it out, and then we eat it with a spoon in the morning. So great way, easy way to have a healthy smoothie. Hope you enjoy. If you have a recipe that you like for your smoothies, please let me know. I'd love to try new flavors, new textures, new combinations. Remember, subscribe to TheHome.com, like us on all our social, and be sure to join us again. Enjoy.